Okay, we talk about the global Mastercard market. Global Mastercard. Alright. Beyond the payment, how data, AI, cybersecurity represent the financial ecosystem. J.K. Khalid. J.K. Khalid. J.K. Khalid, Executive the Vice President and the Division President. The East Arabia Mastercard shared the vision. Last year, Biden and what is this? Xi Jinping, they meet. Let's sell to the Mastercard, to the global market. Okay. So in the bustling, the old Dubai merchant had traded gold, space, textiles, century. Their transactions build trust, seal, handshake. Today, not far from this traditional market. Yes, different kind of commerce. So revolution is unfolding. Is now one powered by artificial intelligence, AI, stablecoin, so quantum computing. So at this intersection, this is ancient trading heritages. It's cutting-edge financial technology standard. So Mastercard and its executive vice president and the divisional president, East Arabia, J.K. Khalid, from his office overlooking the region traditional innovations, Karut daily. Khalid is orchestrated by maybe the world's most ambitious fintech transformation. Real transformations come from the collaborations. Khalid said his words carrying the wealth of the career has bridged software engineering and the business leadership in the region as the ambitious, dynamic as the Middle East. So there's no shortages, opportunity, just need to keep learning, lesson, and leading. In the philosophy, the particular relevant region where the government are racing the build AI capabilities, whereas coverage of the old and the new create unique opportunity for the financial innovation. So ancient trade route meet the digital highway. The Middle East has always prospered, moving the value as swift as secure across the distance today, and caravans digital every time, and QR code, QR scan created invisible highway. So the carry money of the speed of the data. Digital payment are the new trade. So Khalid said, from the SME exporting software to the worker sending the remittance, everyone now expect fund travel as effortlessly and information. So expectation power, Mastercard move a single API driven the platform. Lets the bank, fintech, and a wallet receive money across the border near real time, and removing the hidden fee and the settlement of delay. Merchant cross-border transfer from a card center catalyzes growth throughout the MENA. So why these rails are being laid? Mastercard is already scouting next frontier, regulated digital currency and stablecoin. Early pilot ensured that once the market is ready, so the asset can block into the same trust, borderless, and the network. So Khalid understands that technology alone isn't enough. It's to really go the mainstream stablecoin need to embody in the system. The people trust exactly. You need to have a trust system. It's not a monopoly or in the criminal. You cannot let those criminals handle our payment, okay, and that stolen our money. entirely, and even your retirement insurance. This is and tax. Okay, the system doesn't protect user. So that's why the Dubai now those of registered company or license much expensive is unreasonable because all those of things it becomes all the investor have to pay out. See, that's cost our consumer more burden, more every year we have to pay more and more. It's crazy. This world is crazy. And system that protect user, resolve, distribute, and work seamlessly. All the license fee, all the annual fee become increase. What is that? You know what I mean? But your life, variable, inflation, and you don't have work, and people don't have food, and the kids are starving. So what is this kind of? This is not for our world. That's where's the Mastercard. Oh my God, the laboratory tomorrow. What is make a Middle East particular exciting fintech laboratory, unique combination of the factor forward thinking the government rapidly advanced digital infrastructures and the population ego and embrace the innovation, create an environment where the idea move from concept reality fast almost anywhere in this world. So establishment Mastercard Center Advanced AI SIBA technology in Dubai exemplifies and acceleration create collaboration with UAE artificial intelligence and digital economic remote work applications office. So the center isn't just importing the global solution, it's create a local one. The pioneer AI solution developed or the center and helping detect cyber attack, data breach, and the fraud, make the digital ecosystem safer, the government, bank, merchant, consumer. So Khalid note, testament is the regime evolutions from the technology consumer technologies create. The shift is further evidenced by the initiative like this FABX. So Mastercard AI startup challenges recent winner. Teammates AI, a platform enabled to organization to deploy autonomous AI teammate represent a kind of homegrown innovation, increase emergence for the region. The invisible revolution, perhaps the most profound transformation happening, what the consumer never see. Mastercard has embodied AI across the operations for over 20 years. But the scale and the sophistication current deployment represent quantum leap forward. AI enabled to transform the way people business make payment easy. So Khalid explained these tools are invincible layer intelligence make payment much smarter, safer, without adding the friction. So the number tells the story bright, brighter, fraud prevention solution protect 60,000 merchants across the region through the real-time transaction monitor. Decision intelligence PRO can improve fraud detections and 300% of account intelligence reassure AI detect risk card before fraud even occur. So this invisible infrastructure complemented by the tokenization technology. So the Kali as the federation's future commerce, we see not just a security layer or foundation for new way to doing the business. Merchants do not need to store sensitive payment data. You can still give the consumer to fast, secure, and check out. Company like Noom, Top Payment, earlier adapter, implement Mastercard payment, passkey technology, bring the biometric authentications. The platform, so the goal is ambitious. One click tokenize, check out across all the market. So also Lozo, Mastercard also want to do it with tokenize, The building the builder for the technology's advancement. Mr. Khalid is clear that the sustainable transformation required human capital. The announcement was EEMEA, the Mastercard Academy Hub, the Web Summit, the CADA 2025 represents strategies, investment, regime, talent. So it's part of our broader strategy to ensure the digital economy built not just for the region. He emphasized the academic focus on the practical skill and the cybersecurity payment infrastructure, data analysis, and the innovation design is where power next generation. However, I don't care, but I know we need a safe, no risk is no, and So this is commitment to local talent development reflect philosophy. What we do is Mastercard about the enable to self-sustaining ecosystem and addressing regime skill gap, empowerment, and local innovator. We are helping create fintech landscape. In the traditional small merchant have always been the lifeblood of commerce. Today, digital economy maintain true SME represent the vast majority rich rate business. SME is represent vast majority rich rate business across the region. In many ways, so SME or the regime economic observer, we have long believed that supporting small business is one of the most effective ways drive the inclusive growth. Exactly, Mastercard is right. Wonderful. So approach go beyond the generic solution. The partnership with expense management, credit, so finance. So the idea of the payment accepts address specific SME pain point. The result encouraged 90% of the UAE SME expect maintain the growth revenue. So while 70% of the credit to expand. So when SME have, however, embedding finance everywhere, embedding of finance everywhere. Just traditional Middle East hospitalities, seamlessly, brand, commerce, daily life, embodied finance, resolving the boundary between the financial and non-financial service. So Mr. Khalid see the Baptist adoptions sector already woven daily routing, mobilities, e-commerce, gaming, telecom, integrate financial service directly into the non-financial platform. It's completely reshape how people pay, borrow, manage money, often without even realize seamless but the impact significant. Please know about the Mastercard infrastructure's power these integrations through the partnership regime. Giant like Korean is like taxi something. ABHI, FSI, Investable become a powerful tokenization, enabled to platform offer the financial service without beating the full banking system. But you need to still keep the banking system, of course. You cannot just eliminate. It's impossible. The partnership regime, rapid progress stem part of a unique approach, public-private collaborations. So Mr. Khalid's role is required balancing of government ambitions with the private sector capability, creating a model of the. But you cannot use some of the public money, So that's why Mastercard is right about this. It's smart. Give me a break. Also, you cannot take over the government money to, public money to go to private, manipulate the price, becomes inflation and not approved by the federal government. Creating a model could temperate digital transformation globally. So the corporation AI, Etihad Payment launches Mastercard co-page card, demonstrate national interest, global expert, simulated a partnership, Abu Dhabi Investment Office, the digital partnership program. So this example shows how government ambitious private sector execution of the combined delivery real lasting impact for us. So it's not just about being present the regime, it's about the co-create solution. Yeah, suppose like this, You cannot take all the public money government public, manipulate. Beyond the transaction in the region where the hospital, like the art form, the art form relationship, more than transaction, Mastercard shift toward the experience value resonate deeply. Mastercard connection at the new world legend Mastercard. So consumers are not just looking for the reward, they want to feel a part of. So the quantum future, okay, the quantum future as master coming the agenda revealed ambitious so on. So the focus how data AI cybersecurity can work further power more resilient response financial ecosystem. The vision extend financial service and more intelligence. Okay. Throughout the technology revolution, so Khalid maintained a deeply human perspective, shaped by his own journey and pivotal moment come early career when the transition from the software engineer to the business leadership. And I saw the first hand how technology wasn't just about the system and code. It was about the people, decision, and overcome. And the realization has stayed with everything is explained. Exactly. This philosophy guide every initiative. The challenge isn't just adoption. It's about to make sure the tool solve the real problem, and they are accessible, secure, scalable, and the sunset over East Arabian gleam and the ancient marketplace. The future Kali visions take shape. Future with entrepreneurship, spiritual of soul meet possibility of quantum computing. Where trust the most ancient currency and encoded the blockchain protected by AI. So path of change today fast, Gali conclude. What helped having the clearly framework, decision making state, curious, grounded purpose, In this grand laboratory, financial innovation with traditional technology, dance with the desert, Mastercard isn't just a process payment. It's helping write the next chapter of the commercial story began 1,000 years ago. And Mr. Khalid's vision proved be correct. The best chapter yet be the return. So 400 million people across the region from the merchant. 400 million people from the merchant. Tech entrepreneur, startup the hub, future promise, and revolutionary as respect for the past is truly priceless, transformation. Okay, we talk about the global Mastercard market. Global Mastercard. All right. Beyond the payment, how data, AI, cybersecurity represent the financial ecosystem. J.K. Khalid, executive, the vice president and the division president. The East Arabia Mastercard shared the vision. Last year, Biden and Xi Jinping, they meet. Let's sell to the Mastercard to the global market. Okay. So in the bustlings, the old Dubai merchant had traded gold, space, textiles, century. Their transactions build trust, seal, handshake. Today, not far from this traditional market. Yes, different kind.